How to subscribe contacts to a campaign when importing a contact list in System.io. How to subscribe contacts to a campaign when importing a contact list. In this video, we will see how to subscribe a contact to a campaign when importing a contact list on System.io. What you will need: a campaign created on the System.io. A CSV file containing the contact list to be imported. Step 1. Choose the campaign. When you import your contact list to System.io, click on the button Choose a Campaign and select the campaign of your choice. Step 2. Choose the column type. The import file must contain the email address field of the contact. Select the email column, as well as the following two additional fields: campaign step number in the system from which it was migrated. Select the column, select last sent email number column, for the date on which the user receives the email from the campaign step. Select the column, select last sent email date column. Then click on the import button. Did this answer your question? We do provide onboarding help if you join System.io with our affiliate link,